Ever wondered which rifle gives you the perfect edge for squirrel hunting? Today I'm revealing the top 8 best air rifles for squirrel hunting in 2025. Powerful, accurate, and field-tested. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget, links are in the description so you can grab the right one for your hunt. The number 8 product on our list is Umarex Ruger Targis Hunter Max Air Rifle. Power, precision, and silence in the woods. That's what makes this rifle stand out. Built with hunters in mind, it delivers smooth handling and dependable accuracy. Perfect for anyone exploring the top 8 best air rifles for squirrel hunting in 2025. The ergonomic all-weather stock with rubber inserts ensures comfort and control even in wet or cold conditions. Its 5-chamber silencer system keeps shots quieter, giving you the advantage of stealth in the field. The included scope holds zero well thanks to the nucleus rail platform, reducing vibration and frustration during long hunts. While its weight may feel a bit heavier compared to lighter break barrels, the stability it brings adds confidence with every shot. For hunters seeking a durable, high-powered companion, this rifle feels like a reliable choice. At number 7 is Sauer MCX Virtus Air Rifle. Raw power meets precision. That's what makes this rifle a standout when talking about the top 8 best air rifles for squirrel hunting in 2025. The semi-automatic PCP system gives hunters rapid-fire capability, while the 30-round magazine means fewer interruptions in the field. Its 17.5-inch barrel paired with flip-up sights delivers consistency and control, making it a natural fit for both hunting and serious training. The synthetic stock feels rugged yet comfortable, and the M1913 rail opens the door for endless customization. It's heavier than some break barrel rifles, but that weight translates into stability and accuracy shot after shot. For hunters demanding reliability and firepower, this rifle feels like a smart investment, tested for real-world comfort and built to last. At number 6 is Umarex NXG APX Air Rifle. What if I told you that one rifle could make small game hunting accessible, accurate, and fun even for younger shooters? That's exactly what this model delivers, earning its spot in the top 8 best air rifles for squirrel hunting in 2025. Its dual ammo design, capable of firing both pellets and BBs, gives unmatched versatility, while the multi-pump action ensures you control every shot's power. The ergonomic stock and narrow grip feel natural in smaller hands, creating safety and confidence right out of the box. Fiber optic sights make target acquisition quick and clear, even in changing light. It's lightweight yet durable, with an impact-resistant build designed for real-world use. This rifle solves the problem of accessibility without sacrificing performance, making it a smart choice for training and field practice alike. At number 5 is Umarex Legends MP Blowback Air Rifle. Imagine holding a rifle that feels like history in your hands, yet delivers the excitement of modern performance. That's what makes this model stand out, even when compared to the top 8 best air rifles for squirrel hunting in 2025. With its blowback action and semi-auto or full auto modes, it's not just about shooting. It's about the raw, thrilling experience. The all-metal construction gives it a durable, realistic feel, while the 52-shot capacity ensures you won't be reloading every few seconds. Powered by dual CO2 cartridges, it maintains consistent velocity and satisfying kickback. Sure, it's heavier than some hunting rifles and better suited for practice or fun shooting, but for anyone seeking realism and reliability in one package, it feels like the smart pick. At number 4 is Umarex Ruger Blackhawk Air Rifle. When you think of precision and raw power combined in a classic design, this rifle instantly comes to mind. Among the top 8 best air rifles for squirrel hunting in 2025, it earns its place with a velocity that pushes past 1000 FPS, giving you the speed and accuracy needed for clean, confident shots. The included 4x32 scope adds clarity, making long-distance targeting smoother and more reliable, while the solid build ensures durability even with heavy outdoor use. It's designed for those who value consistency and tested real-world comfort, though some may find it slightly heavier than newer polymer builds. Still, for hunters who want reliability, sharp optics, and dependable performance, it delivers relief and peace of mind every time. The third one on our list is Crosman Optimus Air Rifle. Sometimes the most surprising power comes from a rifle that looks beautifully traditional. The Crosman Optimus, featured in the top 8 best air rifles for squirrel hunting in 2025, brings a hardwood stock and rifled steel barrel together for a blend of classic style and modern performance. Reaching up to 950 FPS, it delivers enough punch for small game hunting while maintaining smooth cocking and reduced recoil for comfort in the field. The included 4x32 scope adds clarity, making each shot feel confident and controlled. What makes it stand out is the balance between old-school craftsmanship and field-tested efficiency. It may not be the lightest option, but for hunters seeking reliability, precision, and lasting quality, it feels like a smart, safe choice. Number 2 is Gamo Swarm Fusion Air Rifle. Power and silence rarely come together, but that's exactly what makes the Gamo Swarm Fusion such a standout in the top 8 best air rifles for squirrel hunting in 2025. Delivering up to 1000 FPS with .22 caliber pellets, it hits hard while the Whisper Fusion technology keeps shots impressively quiet, perfect for stealthy hunting. The 10x Gen 3i inertia-fed magazine means faster follow-up shots without constant reloading, a game-changer when accuracy and speed matter most. The IGT gas piston gives smoother cocking and less vibration, while the cat trigger lets you fine-tune your pull for precision. Though slightly heavier than some rifles, the recoil reduction system balances it well. For hunters who want raw power, silence, and reliability in one package, this feels like a smart and rewarding choice. Now, moving to the last one is Gamo Swarm Magnum Air Rifle. Raw power in a hunting rifle often comes with trade-offs, but the Gamo Swarm Magnum manages to balance muscle with modern precision, making it a standout in the top 8 best air rifles for squirrel hunting in 2025. Firing a .22 caliber pellet with the IGT Mach 1 gas piston, it delivers incredible stopping power while reducing vibration for a smoother shot. The 10x Gen 2 quick-shot magazine keeps you locked and ready with fast follow-ups, a huge advantage in real hunting scenarios. Its adjustable cat trigger allows for tailored precision, while safety systems provide peace of mind in the field. Heavier and louder than lighter models, yes, but for hunters seeking unmatched energy and reliability, this rifle feels like the ultimate confidence booster. So guys, this was the video about the top 8 best air rifles for squirrel hunting in 2025. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.